dangerous man. That's bright. Yes, yeah. It's like the sun moving. It's a rainbow. It's a circle rainbow. Hey, Auntie. Hey, Auntie. Can I go down the slide now? Can I go down the slide? Oh. I had to play heads up, 7 up, and my eyes hurt because my arm. Can I go down the slide now? Let's go, Chrissy the boy. This has never been done before. And I might break every bone in my body. This is the most daredevil ever. That's not good. Can you move the skateboard? I don't need it anymore because this is going to be dangerous. Like this. Let's go home, Nancy.
Oh, jeez, there's your skateboard. Skateboard.
I want my bum.
Don't ride that with those.
Can I watch TV?
Yes. So what do you have to say for your adventure? Hold on, I didn't see you.